There's another question from Sochi who are also with us. Maybe they can ask it themselves. But I have a question that concerns me, and I'd like to ask it you here. Recently, in one of the lessons, we studied one of excerpts from Rabash, and each gift which is given to the friends, it's like a bullet that makes an opening in their heart. How does a prayer act upon my friend's heart? When I pray for the friend, how does it act upon their heart?
What do you mean by heart?
In the excerpt, a present given to the friend, it would break his egoistic heart like a bullet. How does a prayer act? What does his heart feel, and if it feels anything at all?
You see, we can only be a conduit. This is what we study in Kabbalah. You study the Pticha, the preface to the wisdom of Kabbalah. Everything is built entirely on transferring from one Partzuf to another, and in no other way. Understand that this is like cells in a body. If each cell would isolate itself from all the others, it would immediately die. Because everything that happens thanks to all the cells being connected to one another. So, I'm not sure how to say it in any other way. It's impossible for us to receive the upper light, the upper information, sensation, pleasure, fulfillment, if we don't convey it to others, and they convey it to us. Meaning, I never work for myself, I always work for others. That's why it's called Chokhmat Kabbalah, the wisdom of Kabbalah, the wisdom of reception. So it's not just reception. Receiving, we were created initially from nature. But here, we talk about the wisdom of reception. It's not simple. It's when you yourself do not receive, rather you give to others, you convey to others, and in this way, by transferring to others, you become capable of receiving from others, and in this way being fulfilled. So the whole method is in fulfilling others and emptying myself. And those places that I gave to others, I can give to them and be filled by others. That's how it works. Similarly, it's how it works with the Creator. So the extent to which we want to give to Him, to that extent we free ourselves for fulfillment from Him.